Hey everyone, John Henry here from support at SchoolOfTrade.com, and today we're going to be taking a look at a trigger zone pattern long. You can see here we've been trying to push out of this morning range here, and every time we come out we just fail right back up again. We had a first signal reset, that one failed, and now we have a second signal reset for a chance to hop on board with a 1, 2, 3 correction after we have that nice cross. So I'm looking for an entry at 107.26. My stop is going to go below the low at 107.06. And then my targets are going to be around about halfway back, which is going to be around 107.35, 34 in that area. 3 ticks off the high at 41, and then the final target's going to be up here at 54. So as of right now, we're just waiting for a fill here, and then once we can get our fill, then we'll start moving the orders around. So we will. Hopefully we can get a fill here shortly, and then we can hop on board with this. So once we get a fill, I will come back and then we'll show the adjusting of the targets and everything else. Okay, so we got our fill here, and now we just need to move a couple things around. So the first one is going to go the stop at 06. The second one is going to be the opposing target, or the opposing halfway back area there, which is going to be right around, we'll lead it a little bit at 33. And then if this keeps pushing down, we'll just keep adjusting that. So the other one's going to go at 41, 3 ticks off the high, and the final contract is going to get taken off. It was around 54, I believe is what it was. I accidentally deleted the, just put that back on there just to make sure. Nope, I was a little off. We'll put that up at 56, and then we will continue on. And then, like I said, if this continues to move a little bit lower against this position, I'll keep adjusting this down so that my initial order always gets taken out at that opposing halfway back there at currently 107.33. So we will come back once we start getting a little bit more favorable price action, and we'll see how we do. Okay, so we just had our first target filled at 107.30, 107.29 in the area. We did get a little bit further of a push down, so that first target isn't going to be a whole lot, but it is enough to get something off the table. So now the stop is going to move 1 tick below the swing low that we created here, and then we're looking for the secondary target up here at 107.41. Once we hit that target, I'm going to hold off moving my stop to break even until we can tag this 107.44. If it looks like we start coming back a little bit, then I'll move the stop to break even just to lock out the risk. And then once we break this 7.44, then we'll start trailing our stop up into our target there at 107.56. So once we start getting a little forward movement here, we'll come back and we'll see how the trade turned out. Okay, so we're back. We had all of the targets filled on this one. It actually moved relatively quickly through here between 10:30. Now remember, although it is Wednesday today, because of the holiday weekend, we don't have crude oil news today, so it's more than capable of trading this pattern, and just like any other normal day. So that's going to be pretty much the trade of the day. It was a pretty good trade, and if you guys have any questions about it, feel free to send an email to support@schoolofttrade.com. We'll be sure to get back to you as soon as we can. Have a good one. Bye.